What's up, guys? It's been a while. Average Anthony here, back now. Obviously been busy with being a dad, as some of you may know, but now I'm back. I've got an opportunity to catch up with a mate. We're going to go up to the hinterland. Everyone's pretty much in isolation here in Australia, so decided that we're going to get out into nature and just really enjoy ourselves while we have this time to really reflect on what's going on. Did CrossFit this morning. It's been a while since I've been training, so I'm probably a bit below average Anthony at the moment. I've only been training, and he can't even keep this still. So cooked. Been training like maximum twice a week, and this week I've done 4 days as a single dad, so time is precious to me. Really hard to get in that downtime for myself. When I do, I tend to be cleaning up and all that sort of stuff, but yeah, made it 4 times this week and loving being back in the training. Just being cautious about washing my hands and all that. I am cooked. This bloke, super dad, he's got 3 kids, just taking them on a rainforest walk. One of them is Zion, a big Zi-Fi. Not only does he have to carry this kid, he has to carry the oxygen tank, which weighs how many kilos, Dan?
About 7.
7 kilos.
20 plus 7, 27.
Super dad.
High five. High five the camera.
Yeah, just about to fly the drone here at PurlingBrook Falls on the Gold Coast. Look at that view. Sexy. Wow, this is hey buddy, this is a bit hairy. Bit tricky, have to go down one rock at a time and pray that I don't smash this $6,000 camera. That was a bit of fun flying the drone there. I ran all 3 batteries dead. So, and now we're climbing back up. Still out of breath. Man, I'm unfit. I'm so unfit. Any athletes out there want to challenge me to a workout, hit me up, because I'm keen for some torture. I'm sure everyone will get a good laugh out of it. Well, back to the car. To say that was easy is a massive lie. It was a lot of fun. Hopefully got some sick content. But yeah, going to duck off now and have a coffee, go home and eat, and maybe start editing this. So 2 things I learned today was my camera works and my drone works. It's been a while. vlogging, and I hate being in front of the camera. So actually 3 things. It's actually a crazy weird time to be alive right now, with everything going on with the coronavirus, and it's insane. People are going out and panic buying, so I'm going to have to try and go get my groceries tonight, so that I can feed myself and the girls. I won't be panic buying, but it's crazy. At work is insane at the moment. So many people buying home gyms. Hopefully I'll be able to put out a few more vlogs every week. I'm aiming for 1 a fortnight to start off with, but yeah, I'm trying to get back into it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.